How to create a Gmail account on your iPhone 8 Plus without adding a phone number. Keep in mind that Google decides when phone verification is required, so this method may work for some users, but not for everyone. First, open the Gmail on your iPhone 8 Plus. Then select your account on the top right corner. Next, tap Add Account and choose Google from the list. Tap Continue to use Google. When the Google sign-in page appears, tap Create Account. Then select For My Personal Use. Now enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. Choose your date of birth and gender, then Continue. Next, create your new Gmail address, or choose one of Google's suggestions. Create a strong password, confirm it, and tap Next. If Google gives you the option to skip adding a phone number, tap Skip and continue with the remaining setup. However, if Google asks you to verify your phone number, this step is mandatory and cannot be bypassed because it's determined by Google's security system. Finally, review the privacy and terms, tap I agree, and your new Gmail account will be added to your iPhone 8 Plus. For better account security and recovery, it's a good idea to add a recovery phone number or email address later from your Google account settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.